back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I thought I would share this one because I come across it. It appears to be completely non-phone, done through email, and it is entry level, no experience needed. We are going to dive all in. Just know the links to all the pages I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video, and I always encourage you to do your own research on any of these companies before giving any of your personal information to them. But today's job lead comes from the company Via. They only have 31 reviews on Glassdoor, but out of the reviews they have a great rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars. Some of their reviews say that this is a really great company to work for. Everyone is very communicative. That same kind of sentiment is in all of these reviews, that management has good communication, you're able to work from home, all of those types of things. They are hiring a customer support representative. Now, it looks like this is done all through email, though. It says they're a fast-growing retailer in Grand Junction looking to fill a customer support representative. This position is full-time, 40 hours a week, Monday through Friday. And it says you'll need to interact with several software systems, so being comfortable with computers is a must. Excel skills are preferred, and they're looking for people who can put together great emails and other written correspondence. You'll basically be responding to customer inquiries, managing the customer experience, and processing and tracking customer returns. So it sounds like this is done all web-based through email or other written correspondence. It does not mention having to talk on the phone at all. Now, again, please note they do state this is entry level, and as far as what they're looking for, they're really looking for someone who will take ownership, someone who's always trying to improve, and someone who has high standards for accountability. Of course, you've got to have those Microsoft Excel skills and be able to work with a computer, but other than that, that's all they really list. So this looks like it is a completely non-phone, and it also appears to be no experience needed. Again, I don't work for any of these companies. I'm simply sharing what I find online. So what's in this job posting is all the information that I have, but they are paying $15 an hour and do offer a benefit package that includes health, vision, dental, paid time off, all the things. So it might be great to get in somewhere, get that experience, to put on your resume, so then you qualify for other higher level positions. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do keep those in mind and try to look out for those types of jobs. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.